All right, let's go ahead and start this off with a 7/16 socket. All right, almost there. All right, let's go ahead and put in our brand new brake hose. Go ahead and get your bolt with your two new copper washers. You get one on this side. One on this side. Go ahead and install it. All right, and once you feel it kind of get threaded, should be good. go ahead and tighten it up. Don't go too tight, you could bust the threads out of the thing. And then after that, we'll go ahead and finish tightening this up here, put our clamp in here, and we should be good to go to start bleeding the brakes. Now, usually for this, you'd want to use a line wrench. Now, I don't have a line wrench that fit this for whatever reason. It did not work for an 11mm, and it did not work for 7/16. So, using the next best thing, and we're just gonna take it easy. Okay. Now let's get our last clip here. What does it seem like? It goes on this one. Yeah, I don't think a clip goes on it this time. Looks like it already fits in there pretty snug. That's it for this video. Next video, we're going to be showing you how to do a brake bleed on this thing, and we're going to be using the Harbor Freight Power Brake Bleeder. So we'll be doing a review on that, seeing how it does, and if it was even worth the money. We'll catch you guys on the next one.